Go.
Usually in the morning, I get my complimentary drinks. Each nipple, each 2 doses a day. For 2 and 2. You know? One for you, now settle down. One for you, settle down there. Whew. Then, we're over here. I go over here, feed my butthole at least 1 Mountain Dew. Eat it. He usually doesn't like it. I wait for the guys, and they're usually smoking. Then I look at each pizza box to see if there's any little bit of crust left. Snack, snack. Then I dance to my Harlem Shake, and it's just so overwhelming. And that's what I do for the day. Thank you very much. I'll be here all night.